In this video tutorial, I will teach you how you can delete your Google Analytics account. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, you can subscribe now and also press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Before starting this process, you need to make sure that you have a working browser. Currently, I am working with Google Chrome, but you can try Brave, Firefox, or Opera if you face any issue during this process. So let's begin the process. First of all, you need to search for Google Analytics and click on the first result, which is the official website for Google Analytics. I was already logged in, so I landed on the home page. You can see the dashboard has multiple options on the left side bar. I can view my main account here, and this account has 3 properties. If you want to delete the single property instead of entire account, you can view the following video. But in this case, I will delete the whole account including 3 properties. To delete the whole account, you need to go to admin. Then there are 3 columns. Under the account column, choose the account you want to delete. Currently, we have a single account, and this single account has 3 properties. But we want to delete the entire account including 3 properties. To delete the entire account, click on Account Settings. Then click on Move to Trash Can. You can click on Trash Account. And we can see the message Success. If you have done this mistakenly, or anytime you change your mind and want to restore this account, you can always go into Trash Can. Under Trash Can, you can see we have deleted the following account, and this was deleted on the current date, which is May 29, and the final deletion date is July 3, which approximately makes 1 month. So Google allows 1 month before the account is permanently deleted. This option is to restore your account anytime you want to restore it or you want to change your mind. Check this option, then click Restore and click Yes. The account will be restored. But keep one thing in mind, that this option will be available only for 30 days after the deletion process. But once the 30-day time passed, you cannot recover your account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.